Every great product feature starts with a problem to solve. Wrike Whiteboard, powered by Klaxoon, gives your team a space to think visually, share ideas in real time, and turn creativity into concrete plans. Let's explore how an agile team uses Wrike Whiteboard to shape ideas and bring new product features to life. Start by adding a whiteboard to your item. You can do this by creating a new whiteboard or choose from an existing one that you have access to. This attaches the whiteboard to the item, giving your team easy access to it. Everyone in the team will be able to join directly from Wrike and collaborate in real time. All they'll have to do is make sure they've connected their Wrike account to their Klaxoon account. Before moving forward with ideation, it helps to ground the team in real data. Embed your Wrike dashboard widgets directly into your whiteboard. Just grab the share link for the widget and insert it using the Wrike widget option, or paste the link directly into a sticky note and see the magic happen. These widgets update in real time, and as the team completes work in Wrike, the widgets on this board will reflect that, showing information about completion rates, workload distribution, and refreshing the burn-down chart. This anchors your discussions in reality, allowing the team to take data-informed actions. Next, take a few minutes to set the stage for your team. The whiteboard isn't just for new ideas, it's also a great space to visualize your team's current workload and priorities. You can use the Insert Wrike Item option to import multiple items at once, or paste the link to any Wrike item directly on the board to display a live preview. Each imported item shows some key details like the item type, the title, assignees, status, and importance level, if available. This gives everyone instant visibility into what's already in progress. This quick setup helps the team understand their current commitments before diving into new developments, ensuring the discussion stays realistic and aligned. With everything in focus, it's time to shift into idea mode. Encourage your team to let the creativity flow and add as many ideas as possible. Each sticky note represents one idea, one possibility. Any sticky note can become a Wrike item with a couple of clicks. Just select your sticky notes and click Convert to Wrike in the floating toolbar. Choose exactly where in Wrike you want your items to be created and what type they should be, from the standard task, project, or folder types, or any custom item type, available for the selected space. And just like that, your ideas instantly become actionable items in your sprint backlog. Now it's time to decide which items will move into development using integrated dot voting. Simply allocate everyone a number of dots which they can then use to vote for their favorite ideas. As votes appear, patterns emerge, and the team will see which items spark the most promise to meet your goal. When the team has finished placing their dots, you can end the voting period, at which point you'll see which are the top voted items by the team, and those items can then be moved into development. Continue to interact with the newly created items by launching them in the whiteboard. Update their status, add assignees, set due dates, update descriptions, add comments, or even cross-tag them to other folders, all without leaving the whiteboard. Anything you update in the whiteboard will also be reflected in Wrike and vice versa. No more screenshots, copy-paste chaos, or lost ideas. Everything stays connected in one place. By the end of the meeting, every idea has a clear owner, a timeline, and a path forward. What began as a blank canvas has become a coordinated plan, visualized, prioritized, and ready to deliver. With the power of Wrike Whiteboard, powered by Klaxoon, your team can move from imagination to implementation with confidence.